Up to 50% of adults suffer some anxiety about going to the dentist, but 1 in 6 Australian adults have high dental fear. These are huge numbers. So many people suffer from anxiety about a trip to the dentist, and I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. I'm Dr. Grant, and welcome to episode number 2 of Prevent. So you're sitting there in the waiting room, sweating a little bit, and then your name is called and your heart begins to race. You're ushered into the dental chair and then you see the tray of instruments. How are you feeling? If you're feeling a bit anxious just listening to that, then keep watching, because today we're going to talk about what is dental anxiety and fear and why is it so bad? Why it's so important to overcome your fear? And how can you overcome your dental anxiety? Dental anxiety is a term that's used to describe fear, anxiety, or stress in the dental setting, and it can be associated with certain triggers like injections or drills, even just the smell of a dental practice. And I see patients dealing with this literally every day. When dental anxiety is severe, causing extreme fear and complete avoidance of going to the dentist, it can be classified as dental phobia. Like any phobia, the fear is out of proportion to the stimulus. Say you're scared of spiders and you see a tiny, non-venomous spider in the corner of the room and you jump out of your skin. The reaction is disproportionate to the danger that's present. In that case, it's not really a problem, is it? You might be an inconvenience to your spouse or your friend who has to then go and deal with the spider, but in the end, life just goes on as per usual. People who suffer from dental fear and anxiety tend to avoid going to the dentist, putting off necessary care, leading to more tooth decay, more gum disease, more missing teeth, more sleepless nights. The list just stacks up. Ultimately, long-term avoidance of the dentist will affect both your physical and your mental health. It's a never-ending vicious cycle. The most obvious benefit to tackling this fear is improved oral health. With good oral health, you can eat properly, you can chew the foods that you love, and continue to enjoy your food well into old age. You can talk properly and smile confidently. No more living in constant fear of not knowing when that toothache will strike again, whether it will affect your job or your sleep or your mood. Call me biased, but I think those are pretty great things to have. Now imagine that not only do you have great oral health, but that you've removed this fear from your life. Imagine the weight that's been lifted from your shoulders. Now that has got to be worth something. I understand that change is hard, and all this takes a lot of effort and time, which is why the motivation has to come from you, from in here. Do it because you want to do it, not because I told you to. This question is a big one, and I'm here to tell you there is hope. In our next episode, we'll discuss techniques that you can use, as well as techniques that your dentist can use to help you. But for this episode, we're going to focus on the first steps for you to take. Now that we've established that you want to face your fear and that you want better oral health, what's next? Here's my ideal scenario. Ask a trusted friend or family member about their recommendations for a dentist, and bring them along with you for emotional support. If that dentist seems like a good fit for you, then you're halfway there. A new patient of ours did this recently, where she brought her friend, my patient, along with her. It was great because she was able to feel the support and already had a level of trust in us at Method Dental. Let's say this isn't possible. What do you do? Well, what I don't recommend is picking any random dentist. If you pick any random dentist, it may not result in a good outcome for you in your quest to overcome your dental fear. Picking a random dentist is kind of like closing your eyes, putting your hand into a big box of Cadbury favourites, trying to pick out your favourite chocolate, but ending up with a Turkish Delight instead. Ugh. I actually love Turkish Delight. Research your choice for a dentist. Look at their website, look at their social media, and when you call, talk to the receptionist about the dentist. Are they answering your questions? Are they helpful? You should expect that everyone in the practice will want to help you with your dental anxiety. Now, this is where it gets hard. Turn up. Turn up to your appointment. And when you're in the waiting room, you feeling a bit nervous and shaky, it's okay. These are all responses that you should expect at this stage. Don't beat yourself up about it. Over time, you and the dental team will be able to work through these issues together and come out on the other side. Focus on that. In the next episode, I'm going to talk you through some techniques that you can use to stay calm during your appointment and what things the dentist can do to help you through it. After watching these 2 episodes of Prevent, I hope that you'll be armed with the knowledge and the motivation to overcome your dental fear. We help people to do that every day. Thanks for watching, and if you found this episode helpful in any way, please like and subscribe to our channel, because the more people we can reach, the more teeth we can save.